Hi, Adam from Balancing Touch, and I'm putting together a couple orders right now from the sale that I have going right now, and the sale is basically free shipping, which is pretty cool. So if you're thinking of getting one of the giant wall charts of mine, right now would be a great time to get it because, yeah, it comes with free shipping. I wanted to try and put that out there just for a limited time until this Friday, June 15th. Just to see what the response is, to see how many people have been wanting my charts, but it's the shipping charges have been holding them back. And I'm sorry about that. The shipping just is so expensive. I've gotten a lot of feedback from people saying, oh, I love your charts. They're really great. They're visually, stunning and all that. But when I go to check out, the shipping is sometimes the same price as the chart or even more, right? Depending on where it's shipping. So, just go to my store, which is balancingtouch.ca, and then you'll see at the top, just go to store, and under store you'll see my giant chart, and you can add it to cart, and then you'll see a little button that says add to cart, and then also you'll see some instructions on how to do it. And basically you're going to enter a code. The thing to remember is that you can only have the giant chart in the cart because all the other products are not available for free shipping, so it will show an error. So you can only have the giant chart in your cart. And under the calculate shipping here, you'll see have a promotional code, and you just type in get giant. And then you'll hit apply coupon, and then you'll see the options down over here if you've already entered in where your postal code and your country and your province or state. You can put that in there. Under here, once you've put the promotional code, you'll see that now there's a little tick box that says free shipping, and so you can do that there. And then once you proceed to checkout, so you can skip that whole thing and just proceed to checkout. And once you get on that page, and then that's where you fill in your billing information, and then you can check your order here. But make sure that down here it says shipping is 0, right? And then you're gonna proceed with PayPal. So yeah, anyway, that's how you get it. So promotional code get giant. If you have any issues at the checkout with it, write me an email and let me know what issue you're having. Sometimes, depending on which country you're trying to order from, there might be some conflict or something with the website software. So yes, any issues, write me an email and we can resolve it. Maybe we'll have to go around the shopping cart that way. But anyway, like to get a chart to you, and anybody who's thinking of buying this, great time to do it right now. Anyway, I gotta get back to shipping some charts out that people have already bought. So those of you who've already purchased them, thank you so much, and they're on its way. And those who haven't, hurry up and order before this Friday, June 15th, to take advantage of the free shipping, because I don't think I'll run this again, but we'll see. We'll see how the response is. Anyway, yeah, because it actually costs me money. Anyway, Adam Thomas from Balancing Touch. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and YouTube's done a couple, they've changed some of the algorithms and stuff. So it helps if you hit the little bell button. It'll notify you that there's a new video that came out under my channel, right? So anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Cheers. Bye-bye.